Hello everyone. Creativity and innovation are two major parameters which are required most to the job and entrepreneurship. And design thinking is one of the approach is quite popular across the universe for solving human-centered problems that happen to us in a day-to-day life. Many industries like Coca-Cola, Swiggy, Ola, Uber, they have adopted design thinking and they have tasted the success in terms of innovations and creativity. Design thinking is a 5-stage approach. Starts with empathy as a first stage. Empathy is very, very important because every product in the market is evolved because to solve your problem. If you want to have a juice, if you want to keep your vegetables in a proper way, that fridge is evolved in the market. So likewise, every human needs are converted into product by the seller and evolved in the market. So in order to understand the problem better, empathy is very important, and empathy is very simple, it is to understand the pains of a customers or a user in a better way. If you want to understand it better, you can discuss with the user, you can ask questions to the user, you can travel with the user to find much better. In a simple word, to understand empathy, it is like putting your head into someone's shoes and understand their problems well. And after empathy, the next stage is define. Sometimes a user may share in a different way. They will not share the exact root cause of the problem. They will be sharing only the pains that they had. But we cannot assume ourselves only the pain into the problem, because we have to ask so many why questions to us and also to the users to define the problems in a very clear manner. And the next to the define stage, it's an ideation, because idea is the heart of the product. You have to give the idea which is very, very creative and innovative. That sometimes you may use a technology. For ideation, you should never stop any small ideas too. Whatever it actually coming into your mind, you have to list it down. You have to brainstorm the lot of ideas. You have to talk to a lot of people and showcase your ideas and ask reviews from them. And finally, you prioritize all the ideas that you had and rank it which is the best idea out of your thoughts. Sometimes you may use different technologies and which can be affordable to the users also. And next to the ideation, it's a prototype stage. You can take the ideation into the real product or a working model, and you should construct it, and you have to fix the components which is very, very affordable to the users. And the final stage is testing. Once the prototype is done, you have to take those testing values and you have to compare with other products, and you can redefine in case of ideation or redefine in case of any kind of futures adding into it. So when you do this, the design thinking stages into your life or anywhere that you can sort out or solve human-centered problems into an innovation way. Once you do the product or the solution in a creative and innovation way, so that leads you to develop a startup, and you can be a businessman too. So in a series of lecture, we will be learning about the different tools that can be adopted in the 5 stages of design thinking. So design thinking have no limitation. It can be applied anywhere, at any place, to provide the feasible solutions, which is creative and innovation. So with the final note, design thinking is for life. Thank you.